Pseudocode. Pseudocode is an informal language used by programmers to develop algorithms. Pseudo means imitation and code refers to instructions written in programming language. Pseudocode cannot be compiled or executed. There is no real formatting or syntax rules for pseudocode. Pseudocode is a set of statements in plain English which may be translated later into a programming language. It does not include details like variable declarations, subroutines. It gives us the sketch of the program before actual coding. It is easy for programmer and non-programmer to understand the general working of the program because it is not based on any programming languages. In keywords should be highlighted by capitalizing them. So what are the keywords used in different actions? So first one is the input data. In this input we can use the read, obtain and get keywords. Output, print, display and show keywords. Compute. So compute is the calculation part. So that is we can use the compute, calculate and determine. Initialize. So in that initialize part using a keyword as set initialize. Add one. So we can use the increment. Like that we want to subtract any one value means using the subtract keyword. In that some guidelines are therefore writing pseudocode. In that first one, write only one statement per line. Then capitalize initial keywords. Third one, intend to show hierarchy. Fourth one, end multi-line structures. Then finally, keep statement language independent. Then we can explain one example program for pseudocode. In that, write a pseudocode to accept two numbers from the keyboard and calculate the sum and product of them. Also display the result on the monitor screen. So in that first line, that is the begin, that is the start the program. So we can use the begin keyword. So after that we want to get the input values from the users A and B. So in that input we can use the read keyword. So read A comma B. So after that we want to calculate. So we can use the calculate as a keyword. Calculate sum equal to A plus B. And display. So we want to display the value. So that is the output. Output keyword as a display. So display sum. Finally stop the program. So we can use the end keyword.